Hey everybody, welcome back. Today on this episode we're getting back into this and hopefully fixing this carburetor. There's a few issues, but let's get into it. Okay, so next day, and we have sorted it out. So what I end up doing is cutting the base off and then tigging the new bigger flange, which I just got from an exhaust shop, welded it on there, and then I ended up die grading the inside too. So there's a little bit of a lip there, but the inner diameter of the carb is like way too small to even worry about that too much. Yeah, and then I gave it a bit of a clean up and a paint. So now back to getting to where we wanted to do is man, it's really dark in here, I'm sorry, is to chuck this back in there and actually gonna get some light so it's actually decent. So time lapse. Don't know what you missed because it went flat, but it's in. So inlet manifold, exhaust heat riser for the carburetor, all bolted down, alternator bolted down, wires in. I've got to tidy that up in a little bit. So now put the plug wires on just because it's easy to route while the carburetor's not there. Make the throttle cable come back through, chuck the carby on, time it, and maybe see if we can get it to run. Definitely need a new belt. Okay, let's give it a kick. Not today. Okay, so I think I had this wire up here mixed up, and let's give it a go. Let's hopefully make sure this runs. Sweet! It runs. As you can hear, it doesn't run the best. So time to get some tuning. So I'm going to turn you off, and I'll come back in a little bit after I've sucked in lots of petrol and fumes, after making it run too rich and then too lean and then too rich and then all the other things in between. So yeah, give me 20 minutes and you'll be back. Okay, so we have a problem. I stuffed up. I thought the engine in the car was a bit bigger than I thought. So I thought it was a 1600 and it's clearly not. Or something else that I can't work out isn't working, because this lovely carburetor that I did last episode doesn't work. So it doesn't matter what it did, how I tuned it, what jets I put in it, smaller ones, really small ones. I could not get it to tune up, so it would just fuel everything up. It was covering all the plugs in fuel. As soon as I would then maybe clean it up and like rev it out, it would idle and then it would die because it was just suffocating in fuel. So to save a bit of pain, I just got the other one off, cleaned it all up, did the same as I did in the last episode with this one, which if you want to watch is one episode back, please do. And yeah, I just cleaned it all up, put it back on, and it runs like a dream. It starts first go. If you leave it for like, it's been a few days. It's been that long I've even washed my shirt and put it back on again. But it is what it is. I'm a little bit annoyed because I thought that maybe with the new Carby I'd get a bit more power, a bit more pep, because it is just a slug. I think it's a little bit smaller than I think it is, but I thought it was, but hey, it happens. It's all looking really nice. I'll take you around here. It's all like it was. Actually, while you're here, I'll start it up and you can, oh come on. I'll start it up and it runs so much better. Like I bought one. So, Carby engine done, hopefully. So that means next up, oh no, too low. So that means next up we're going to jump back into getting this thing ready for rego, check all the lights, all that kind of stuff, and take it for a good drive. So please tune in, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys again soon. Peace.